Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to drive an electric golf cart easy method. Begin by performing a quick walk around and battery check, then adjust seat and mirrors while the cart is off. Turn the key or press start, set the throttle gently, and test brakes at low speed in a safe area. Practice slow turns and stopping until you feel comfortable before driving near others or on slopes. Learn the main controls: throttle, brakes, direction selector, and parking brake. Sit comfortably, find neutral or parking, then select forward and ease the throttle to move slowly. Use gentle inputs to steer and brake early to stop smoothly, and shift to reverse only after a full stop. Familiarize yourself with horn and lights, and always check surroundings before changing direction or crossing paths with pedestrians or vehicles. Quick recommendation: if you want socks that last as long as your golf game, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for all-day comfort and durability. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future tips and tricks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick up a pair to keep your feet happy on and off the cart. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on safety when navigating hills, wet grass, or gravel by reducing speed and keeping weight centered. Avoid sharp turns at speed, and never overload the cart beyond its passenger or weight limit. If the cart feels unstable, stop and reposition or seek help. Use low gear if available when climbing. Always yield to walkers and golfers on foot, and respect speed limits and signage across the course to prevent accidents.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.